we're going to learn how to draw a beautiful flower. First, we begin with a simple circle in the center. This will be the flower's face. Now, let's add the petals. Draw a petal on one side, and then another on the other side. Keep going until the flower starts to bloom beautifully. Doesn't it look amazing already? Once all the petals are done, we'll add a little stem to hold our flower. Watch closely as we draw a straight line below the circle. Perfect. And that's it for our outline. You can now color your flower with your favorite colors and make it as bright and cheerful as you like. What colors will you choose? Now it's time to color the center of the flower. I'm using yellow to make it shine like the sun. What do you think? First, we'll start by painting the flower petals. Let's pick some bright colors. I'm using red for this petal. What color would you choose? Now, let's move to the next petal. How about purple? Doesn't it look pretty? Wow, this flower is turning into a rainbow. Next, let's paint the stem. Green is the perfect color for it, don't you agree? Colorful flower is ready. Doesn't it look amazing? You can try this at home too. Thank you for painting with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.